What's up? It's your boy Faggot fucking 69 here. Today, do you notice I got a new fucking house? Since I did the last video, but what we're doing today is we're putting a aftermarket steering wheel on with hub. I'll give you guys a link if you want it. I mean, it's just a fucking eBay wheel, but this is actually surprisingly good quality. Like, I've tried to bend it. Here, look. Like, I'm putting all my whole fucking weight on it, and it's not bending. So I guess it's a good fucking wheel for eBay wheel. So I know they tend to bend, but yeah, this one was like 40 bucks, and this was like 20. So I guess it's okay. Yeah. So basically, what I'm doing is, so this is not really a how-to. Kind of is, but basically what you have to do is take these 6 bolts off, and then you gotta like take these few bolts off. I don't know what we're doing, but I'll just like show you when I'm done. Cause I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. I guess I kind of got the idea, but I don't want to fuck anything up because I like this steering wheel a lot. And in the future, probably in a few months, I might get stuff for my shifter. So from Fearing Countries, but yeah. So I will get back to you when I'm like halfway fucking well, when I'm halfway done with it. So yeah, see ya. So little update here. I got the steering wheel off. It's just alright, so I'll explain to you what you have to do. So there's this bolt here, or screw hole here, the screw hole here, right there, and then there's, so on the steering wheel, let's just take this. There's 6 bolts on the actual Logitech steering wheel, you know, the ones you always look at. You have to take those 6 off, and then this. And then there is a little white piece you have to take off, which is kind of a bitch, but you'll be able to take it off. So, and then like you take these, I'm guessing, I'm watching a video right now, but these 6 screws here, I think you're not supposed to take these off, but I might be wrong. Yeah, so it's not really that hard to do, but it's kind of a bitch. But I'll get back to you in a minute when I'm finally finished and got the thing. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec. Bye guys. Alright guys, I got the steering wheel on, and it looks fucking sick. It's kind of weird because it's not centered, as you can see that little screw hole there. It's not centered because look, it's not centered, but the wheel itself is for the most part. So it's a lot better than the Logitech, but it's gonna get some time to get used to. Because the one thing I hate, and I tried to drill a hole so I could use the buttons, but I realized that was just stupid. And yeah, but I'm gonna cover that up with sticker bombing it, so yeah. But yeah, for the most part this has been pretty cool, but I've been trying to drift with it. So here, I'll show you it's a lot different from the regular steering wheel. Oh shit. This is very hard to do while holding a fucking camera. Hold on. Okay, better? It's very hard to maneuver around. So it's kind of weird to drift with, but like right now, because it's like deep-ish, I'm used to work to be like up here, and it's a lot larger, so for the most part it's pretty nice. Like as soon as I adjusted it. The bad thing is I can't really use the e-brake as much because it's up here, and I have to like move my hand. So hit it. So I might be just installing a hydro E sometime. It's gonna get something to get used to. It's gonna take some time to get used to, but it's alright, I guess. I was hoping it didn't cover up the buckets and stuff, but this one still works. I don't know what it does. It's RSB, so yeah. I got a new house and stuff, so probably maybe in a few months I might get a car, maybe in a year I might get a car. I don't know. It could be any time, but right now I ordered a shift knob, so it's a rent shift knob, and I ordered a shit ton of stickers, so I'm pretty much gonna sticker bomb the outside of my shift around my shifter and my steering wheel for the most part. I ordered like 110 stickers, so the shift knob's gonna not be here until I think it's like September 17th or something, so it's gonna be like a week or two before I get it. Which is alright. For a shift knob, the only thing you have to get is a 10mm adapter, so I think that's what I saw. Just take it off, put it on. I'm afraid that it's gonna keep popping off because it's not secure. So I might need to put like glue. Yeah, but you guys can just watch me drift a little bit. So yeah, I'll put the drifting at the end of the video, and I'll see you later. Bye.